Katagatame here goes all the way under, and then I'm turning here, and you notice when I turn here, you see how his shoulder turns, and then I'm putting pressure on it, and it's going right across his jaw. See, I'm leaning against, I have the elbow, so this is ura katagatame. See how I'm pressing here, and I have control of his shoulder. See, I have the shoulder locked in. This is a very strong, you see here, and he just dropped his shoulder here, then he was just pushing. And it was really hard. See, he just kept pushing into me. This hand here is pushing in. The hand underneath grabs and pull. So push, pull. Now I have him really tight. Us American guys on Okinawa, we always had longer hair. The Okinawan judo guys always have bozu haircuts. That's why Sensei said, get a haircut, but we never listened to him. We paid for it on the tatami. The Okinawan boys, nobody could see it, but they would grab your hair and you couldn't get away. Those were the kind of guys that would rub garlic on themselves under the armpit, and then they put the armpit over your nose. You know, those are little tricks. You cannot grab in judo competition the inside sleeve. But who cares? See his old Kosen judo here. See here? See here? And see, this hand is controlling down here. See here, the arm is locked inside here, here. Kata, my kata is on his elbow here, so it's kata-gata. It doesn't say which kata. And then I'm locking here, see, and squeeze, kata-gatame. Another way here, this one here, but I come all the way around here, and notice how I have his shoulder locked here, and then I'm pushing this way here into it. You have to be a contortionist, I think, to do it. I've never done it, but I've seen it done numerous times. Old Kosen Judo. They're nothing new. Old jiu-jitsu techniques, Kosen Judo, are just doing what they did hundreds of years ago. BJJ guys are doing what they're calling new stuff. They're actually hundreds of years old. They just apply different names to them. But these techniques date back hundreds, some thousands of years to the Buddhist monasteries where they would take care of the mentally disabled people.